Traders, it's Anthony here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can copy our Forex signals. We have two types of Forex signals. First is Telegram, and the other one are signals that we send to Discord. The Telegram signals you can copy automatically. Now these are not really suited to manual copying. I mean, you can if you like, but these are more suited to automatic copy with a program like TS Copier. Or you can use my own trade copy service, which will work out $30 USD cheaper than TS Copier per month. We have all the settings, everything you need to copy these automatically. So let's just head over to Discord and I'll show you the info on TS Copier, and we'll have a look at the Discord signals. Okay, here we are in Discord. Now, TS Copier, there's information about that right here in this channel here. Everything you need to know how to set up automatic copy from TS Copier. Down here you can download this. This is the settings that you can import into TS Copier. So everything you need to know is here. If you're interested in the my personal trade copy service, just shoot me an email or DM me through Telegram or Discord and I'll get back to you. Now, this Trade Ideas channel is really where it's all at. If you're looking to manually trade, build your own account, be a little bit more independent, and grow a prop firm account or multiple prop firm accounts, this is where it's all happening here. Let me explain. First up, the trade signal or trade ideas that I send here are extremely easy. For example, New Zealand dollar. Sell now. That's it. Just sell. Now, if you're not in front of the computer and you miss that, I mean, the sell now signals in here are few and far between. What is most popular are these. Okay, here's an example of an Aussie dollar trade idea. The instruction is wait for the pullback and then set a momentum sync alert for a buy opportunity. All you have to do is come into TradingView and set up an alert with the momentum sync and then wait for the alert to fire. Take the trade. That's it. And there's a bit more to it and we'll go into that in the video. Let's have a look at the result. This one was the Aussie dollar. Scroll down. Okay. I'll always paste the outcome in here as well. And all you're doing is you're looking for price to turn red with the candles, and then take the first green signal. When that fires, you enter, and we have stop loss levels and exit alerts all through our indicators. It's as simple as paint by numbers. Wait for the candle to turn red, take the first green alert. That's it. We're going to jump into TradingView and I'll have a look at this Aussie dollar as an example, and I'll show you what to do. These generally go into the London and New York Open. So, for example, if this doesn't shape up through London, see this white line? That's the New York Open. That's New York. That's London, the blue line. Okay, orange is Asia. And this one showed its hand just after the New York Open. Sometimes it'll be earlier, but yeah, this is the period in time where we take these opportunities. Now, we'll go into TradingView and I'll show you how to take this trade. All right, this was the idea. Simple instruction, let the candles turn red and take the first green signal. All you do, we'll go over here to alerts. As you come straight in here and you go to this indicator, now you only need 4 indicators, just these. Ignore the rest. So you're going to come in to the momentum sync. Make sure you've got these settings set up here, 1, 2, 4, 4, and 2.5. 2.5 is the average true range for your stop loss. Go OK. All right, so that's the setting for that one. And you'll just come straight in, add 3 dots, add alert, and it's a bullish alert, so you just select bullish alert once per bar. And my preference is notify in-app and play sound. And I'm going to go for the flickering sound. Create. There's your alert. So when that fires, you'll see it in the log over here. When you see it come in here, click on it, come into the chart. That'll be the alert. And you simply take the trade long position right there. And I'll show you what to do with this. Your stop loss, have a look at, let's take that out for a second. All right, see the green? Okay, the green shaded zone, that's under here. You can see it here as well. Right there. That's the first port of call for your stop loss. You're also going to include the trend channel, and you'll see green dots. So it's a combination of the green dots, green shaded zone, and your stop loss, whichever is the wider. Okay, the green shaded zone is down in here. So we'll take that. I'm not going to take these dots down the bottom. It's just the first dots or the green shaded zone. That's it. The target, you can just let that float really. Just set it to 4R or something like that, because we're going to ignore the target as we're going to be using this extreme confluence. So now we introduce the extreme confluence. See the dots that just appeared? The crosses and the dots. And there's a dot here. This is going to be your exit. So you've set up the alert for the entry. Once you take the trade with your stop loss in place, you come straight over to the extreme confluence, the off, on, right? Go to the three dots, up here at alert, once per bar, notifications. The exit I change to this sound here, horse, and create. And then over in the alerts, okay, you've got your exit alert. Now I also set these up to go off on my phone, and I use my phone app. My phone app makes a bit of noise and it flashes lights when the alert goes off. So you can be anywhere. Just come straight in, and either you take partial profits here if you like, pull your stop loss up, and you can follow this channel. Right, see these dots? That's your stop loss level right there. Okay, so follow these first set of dots, or you can come in a little bit into the channel if you like with a trailing stop and just keep following it up until the trailing stop gets taken out. You can do that. That's all you need. Same chart as the signal shown here, and 4 indicators. Just quickly confirm the settings with these. We'll start with the trend channel. I like 85% opacity. That's it. The style, I remove these here, these signals, we don't use them. Okay, go OK. The extreme confluence, there's nothing to do in there, just leave that as it is. Trend bar is 11. I remove that because we already have a channel. I like to use the divergence. That's, if you're going to be manually trading, you can enable that. They're my settings. In the style, I remove these things here. Okay, this is if you're just following these signals in here. That's it. And we've looked at the trend momentum sync. Inputs, okay, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4, and 2.5, go OK. And that's how you can copy these signals. Right? So we'll keep this one really simple. This is basically just following extremely simple instructions. And we're having a lot of success with these signals. I'll do another video on manual trading, so then you'll be able to, to benefit from these, as well as finding your own signals and using some more of the indicators. I'll do that in another video. Okay, so that's how you can use our signals and trade manually, building an account. I will add one more thing. Now, if you want to trade a prop firm account with this system, here's what you can do. On the website, go to how to leverage. There's a video here that explains a few things. That's worthwhile watching that video. There's a link. And a prop firm account just makes a lot of sense. People come to me with a $200 account, asking me if they can grow their account. And I mean, you can. 10% gain on a $200 account is $20. But you could invest that $200. This is my preference, the 50 $1,000 account. Focus funded have a 20% discount if you use my code, and it's $220. PropX P $215. Okay, so they're pretty similar. Control a $50,000 account, because that $200 invested, gaining 10% on a $50,000 account is $4,500 versus 20. It just makes so much more sense. Trade our strategy. Now here's how you do it. I use a C-Trader account on TradingView. Okay, it's a Pepperstone C-Trader, that one there. So you could open a Pepperstone C-Trader demo account and set that up in a program called Duplikium. I prefer this one. It's very, very reliable. C-Trader will allow you to trade on TradingView using our signals, and then this here becomes the master account. In Duplikium, you can connect this C-Trader account as the master account, and Duplikium will give you a free account, perfect for the master account. And then you need to add your prop firms and other accounts as slave accounts in Duplikium. Now, if you need instructions on how to do that, reach out to me and I'll send you what you need to know. They will automatically copy from your master account to your other accounts. Yeah, there's a tutorial on our signals and the strategy here. And preferred prop firms, focus funded, are great for worldwide, except for Australian customers. Use that link, and the discount code is AnthonyFX20. If you want a copy on Duplikium, go for the DX Trade platform. If you're an Aussie, PropXP will accept Aussie customers. Use my link and my discount code AnthonyFX20. Now, the only thing with PropX, they don't currently, as of November the 8th, 2025, they don't have a compatible platform to trade on with the trade copy through the trade copier. But they're releasing MT5 approximately November the 17th. So after that date, you'll be able to choose MT5 as the platform and then set that up as a slave account in Duplikium if you want to copy from your master account. But that's how to leverage. And if you haven't already, the 14-day trial, make sure you watch this video because it explains how to access the indicators and Telegram and Discord once you join. At the moment, we're still in new indicator launch mode. Therefore, this is heavily discounted. So you don't get billed for 14 days. It's free. And then after that, billing kicks in. Shout me lunch once a month and you have access to what I believe to be the best opportunity at this price available anywhere in the world. There's a high quality signals and a fantastic opportunity. Click WAP. This video will show you how to access everything in WAP. Guys, if you have any questions, reach out. Click on AnthonyFX over here on the left. And there's the link to join Discord and Telegram. So reach out. You can DM me in Discord or Telegram. With that, have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.